Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Alpha back in the building. So today I actually just want to go ahead and do a quick sound test with three different phones here. So I've got my Note 9 from last year, I've got the iPhone 11 from this year, and I also have the not the 7 Pro, not the 7T, but the OnePlus 6T. So I honestly just kind of want to do a quick sound test just to kind of see roughly which speaker is actually louder than the other. So I've got my decibel meter here, and honestly it's kind of just a fun little experiment, if I should say, just to kind of just see the rough, just roughly how many decibels each one can kind of get at peak. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the song here, and then we're going to go ahead and kind of go down the row and see how this goes. So I'm going to put the decibel meter right here because that's kind of where the speaker is. So we're going to go ahead and start this off with the OnePlus. Alright, not too bad. So this one kind of maxed out at 113.4, so remember those numbers. Next we're going to take a look at the iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and start the iPhone. This is also a dual speaker setup, but it seems like the louder speaker is at the bottom. So let's go ahead and hit it. Alright, so from 113.4 to 114.5, this one actually is a little louder. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Note. So Note is the last of the competitor. So the last of the Mohicans, I should say. So let's go ahead and play this. Alright, so looks like peak volume, or at least peak loudness, 108.8 decibels. So obviously, surprisingly, actually the Note seems to be the weaker one out of the bunch. So the OnePlus actually had hit 113. So, and the iPhone actually sliding by barely at 114. So it looks like the winner here we have today is the iPhone 11. So, but if this is your first time checking out the channel, stay tuned for more iPhone 11 coverage. And I know this is the week of the Pixel, so mine won't be in until next week. So in the meanwhile, I will be doing a full review on the iPhone 11 and anything else you guys want to see. I may get some more cases or anything else like that. But in the meanwhile, this is just kind of a fun test. Just wanted to have some fun and play around with this little decibel meter that came in. I've actually had it in for a little while. So, but once again, stay tuned to the channel. If this is the first time here, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon, and you'll be notified anytime I drop new content. Alright, so with that, I am done, and you guys have a great night or evening or day. Peace.